Hello everyone, welcome to today's Python topic. So today I wanted to build upon my importing of my data frame, and I want to be able to show you guys how to use a function called describe that will let you basically get a ton of information from your data. Information like the average, which is the mean, standard deviation. We're also given the minimum and max values of certain columns. So this is all a very important parameters we can get from our data. So to begin with, I actually have my data imported already, so I'm just going to print it so I can show you guys what I actually am interested in. So as you can see, I have a bunch of data. So the thing is, in order to get like the mean and max and basically the standard deviation of things, I won't really be able to do that on my strings. I can only do that for my integers and my floats here. So in particular, for this video, I wanted to just focus on data involving my games, my wins, and my losses, and my ties. I'll include my ties as well. So I guess I'll show you guys a way to prime your data, because this is, I guess, the way that I would go about it. So to prime my data, I'm going to get my data frame, and I'm going to assign it to something which is going to manipulate my data frame a little bit. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to put in the names of the columns that I'm actually interested in, so that I can just get rid of all the rest of these columns, because I can't really take data on them like that. So like I said, I'm going to focus on my games. So I'll put a G for games. We got wins, losses, and we also got ties. Okay, so this is basically me just priming my data. So now I'm only focused on these columns. So now my data is only going to include these columns, because I can't take data, like I said, on my strings here. So now that I have a primed data frame, now I can actually put my df dot describe. And just as a side note, I've actually taken describe using the whole data set, but it kind of just got a little messy because I had a bunch of data that I wasn't really interested in. So just as a side note, you don't have to prime your data set, but I'm just going to do it for, I guess, be able to read it easier on the terminal here. So now we have df.describe. So after I run this line of code, as you see, nothing will really happen because I forgot. I have to put it in a print statement so it can actually be printed onto our terminal, or output onto our terminal. So let me save this here. Clear this. Oh, sorry. Okay, so now that's cleared. First, we should get a print of our data set, but we can just ignore that. And then what's actually going to be shown is our describe function here. So let me just actually run this. So as you can see, we were actually given the count, the mean, the standard deviation, our minimum value. They're also given the 25, 50, and 75%, and the max. So the count is basically how much entries there are in that column. So basically I have 28 years here of data. So I have 28 entries. Or, yeah, basically 28 years of data. And then we have our mean, which is our average value. So our average amount of games was 152. Not going to round that. Amount of wins is 91. Average amount of losses, 61, and so on. And then we have our standard deviation, showing, I guess, how spread out our values are from each other. They were also given the minimum value, so the minimum amount of games, minimum amount of losses, wins, ties. And then we also have the 25, 50, 75, so describing that, basically 25% of the data is either equal to this value or less than this value. So that's how the percentages work. And yeah, so this is a really quick and easy way with one line of code to actually get really important information from your data set. So hopefully you guys can use this for possibly science projects or anything that you want to use this for. So thank you. Hope you enjoyed.